9:46. Are you sleeping on some of the best deals on mattresses?
So Fox 19's Abby Urban is live this morning at Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom up in Mason to make sure that you don't miss out. Hey, Abby.
Abby, you're on the air.
Larry, are we live? Oh, we are. Okay, well, that was just a joke. It may seem like a nightmare, but this is actually a dream because the deals are so good right here at Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom. And as you can tell, it's really comfortable, Ryan, this mattress right here. Tell us about some of these purple mattresses in the deals going on.
Oh, yeah. So this is a one-time opportunity. We have these mattresses discounted from 45 all the way up to 70% off.
Wow.
Purple doesn't do that often, so when the supplies are out, the sale's over. So people want to act now.
Absolutely. So take us through the different mattresses. This one, I mean, I can personally vouch for it being very comfortable. I was falling asleep on the air. What's this one all about?
So this is our Purple Renew. This bad boy is going to be discounted by 70% off. We're going to be selling it for $5.99 for the queen size.
Okay. There we go. And let's move on to our next one over here. I was really fascinated by this technology, which I think is also in the pillow because it was very cooling. But what makes these mattresses special as I play
if you
with
check out the grid here, if you grab it, you can kind of feel how it's the temperature of the room. So it stays the temperature of the room even when you're laying on it. It's got a lot of airflow, so when you move in the night, fresh air comes in, keeps you nice and cool. This particular mattress right here, the retail price has been discounted by 46% down to $12.99 for a queen. So it is a steal right now.
Yeah. And in terms of firmness or who this would be best for, what would you recommend?
This is going to be, it's called the Restore Firm, but it works for most people that sleep on their sides or on their backs.
Okay. There we go. So a lot of sleepers. All right. Our last one, I think it's this one over here, right, Ryan?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Tell us all about it.
So this one right here, this is the Purple Restore Plus Firm. We have this discounted by 50% off the MSRP, and we're going to be selling the queens for $14.99. This is going to be great for any style of sleep, including your stomach sleepers.
Okay, and we were saying that's both of us, so we know that can be difficult to be comfortable and to be cool. So you can come out here to Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom. Tell us where you're located. Give us a little overview if people want to come out.
Yeah, we are located in Fields Erdel Road in Mason. That's what we like to call it because everybody knows where that is, you know?
Yeah, that's true. And we're going to be talking about not just mattresses, but all of the appliances. I mean, we have fridges, washers, dryers, all of that coming up. But Ryan, I have to thank you and then get back into my purple mattress because it was so comfortable. So I'm going to take a little nap and send it back to you guys in the studio.
All right.